Welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Wednesday 15th of November with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable, which has interestingly fallen away this morning. I mean, basically it was early doors, it was up on the dollar weakness, and up fairly strongly, actually, around about 30 odd pips. And then we've had the employment data out from the UK, which was positive to a certain extent. You'd argue unemployment staying at 4.3%, earnings growth ticking mildly higher. However, just noticing that sort of there's been a slight decline also in the number of people in work. So that has sort of hit sterling, I think, as the market has reacted to that, and sterling has fallen away, and it's now sort of trading towards a day low. So 31.30 is the day low, and it sort of continues this run of very choppy candles. You're not really getting anything out of this cable chart at the moment, any discernible trend whatsoever. I mean, you've got the uptrend, the long-term uptrend is intact, yes. I can accept that. However, on the medium, sort of near to medium term, with this sort of 5-6 week trading range, you've basically just seeing so many mixed signals. It's untrue. Market is just doing pretty much nothing. You've got momentum indicators which are basically flat, very slight negative bias, but again, sort of the market just unable to gain any traction. Even though the dollar is coming under pressure, sterling weakness has trumped that and pulled cable lower this morning. So yeah, once again we're seeing that market, and you can see that. Whoops. Let's try that differently. We're seeing that today. Look at that intraday turnaround. We saw the initial strength, and then the UK unemployment data, which initially the market jumped on about 10 pips, but then it's completely unwound that by about 90 pips lower. Really strong. Strong move to the downside. It's just incredible turnaround. Despite the fact we had fairly solid employment data, but you've still got on a near-term basis no real trend whatsoever on this chart. Failing at 32.30 on Monday. So that is your ceiling overhead, and again failing at 32.15 pretty much before falling back. So again, the resistance coming in, and you got the support 30.60, yesterday's low 30.73. But yeah, again, this really is lacking of any real sort of trend, and really difficult to trade, I think, cable at the moment. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.